too.
All right, Miss Aaliyah, tell me what we're doing today.
Well, since I've never done this actually before, I am using 2 different kind of color glow-in-the-dark glues, pink and blue. I know that pink and blue make purple, so let's begin. First, I'm going to start off with the blue, because you cannot live without this blue. And seriously, guys, look how pretty this looks. Or, can I get a little help here? Oh, there it goes.
That's good enough.
Are you sure? Is that all?
No, it's not all, but I think that's good enough.
Wait a second. I feel like I some sort of super squeezed all of it out. There's only a little bit of amount, so I got most of it out.
That's good.
Okay, now it's time to open up this pink one. And we go. Whoa. Guys, this looks so cool.
You should make an actual video. Oh, it is.
Yeah! Guys, do you actually know if this will actually make purple or pink? Because pink is taking over.
Yeah, upload it to YouTube.
Yep. And now I'm just going to use some of this.
How about you mix this so we can see what color
yeah.
put out?
Looks like pink is taking over. If pink takes over, I'm going to add some more blue. This is making a pretty violet, guys. Are you guys seeing this? It's like a pretty pinkish violet.
Oh yeah, I see it.
But I cannot see a lot of blue, so I'm going to add a bit more of the blue. But it's good.
I think you just gotta mix it a little more. That's
Hold on. It must take time.
It must take what?
Time. Yeah! There we go. Got some of that blue and mixy. Oh yeah, we're getting a darker shade purple. Guys, do you like this? It's looking like a galaxy.
Yeah, it is.
Last time I tried making galaxy slime, but then it got too stiff. Now it's ready for the activator.
Yeah, let me help you with that.
Thank you. Moving over to the activator. I wanted to see if I can make a prettier color or something. I'm gonna add just a bit for the first one. Move it around and stuff. Okay, that should be good for now. And let's see how this thing goes. Ooh, now whoa, this glue needs fast. Look how, it looks like it's already getting done, you guys. I never thought that this would be easy to stir. I'm gonna add a bit more. That was a lot. Let's see if anything happens. Ooh, we'll get to notice of when we're getting ready to knead once it gets a gooey consistency like this, you guys. Yeah, this is very cool, so I'm just gonna a bit more. That's enough. Okay, I feel like I already got a gooey consistency, so I'm gonna do this. Are you sure? Yeah. It's so gooey now. Really.
A little more neat, a little more stirring to do.
Really? Well, I think so too, because the bottom is just sticking to the bowl.
Yeah.
Maybe it needs more activator. Move the slime, make way for bottom. Ooh, that's a lot. It's more than I even need. Okie dokie. This might be the prettiest slime I've ever made. I think it's right for hands. I think. Ew. I don't want to get on my favorite shirt, my pyramid challenge shirt.
What'd you do to earn that shirt?
I had to race one whole lap. Yeah, I think it needs more activator. Yeah, this feels so weird. Ew, Mommy.
That was you.
No, that was you.
Uh-oh, you're making a mess.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do this over the bowl. Ah, okay. I don't think that I was right for the hands.
Yep, I don't think so either.
Guys, do you think that this is a big, epic, good stuff or a big epic fail?
Fail.
Rude. Hey, at least we tried. Hey, but maybe if I just knead for a long period of time, it will stick together into one whole big mold.
Maybe you put too much activator.
No, when you add too much activator, it gets stiff.
Oh.
When you underactivate it, that means it's getting gooey. I think I underactivated it.
Keep going. You better keep trying.
Come on, I need more activator. I need more activator. Help out a friend. Please help me out. Okay, I think that this was a good thing to do. I don't think I was even ready to make glow in the dark slime. Wait. Whoa. It's working now. I'm starting little by little. It's when I keep on doing this, it keeps on grabbing more. I think we're doing good so far right now. I just need a bit more activator, which is down here. Ah! I got my favorite shirt. Please tell me that this is washable.
Yes.
Yeah, this is definitely coming together, you guys. Look at this. I mean, look at that beauty.
Can't really see. Really, Allie? Come on, you're making a mess.
Come on, can you at least grab it?
Well, I'm not touching it.
Why not? Fine, I'll grab it.
You're making a mess. Yeah.
Hey, you didn't say that you would grab it, so I had to do something. And that was make a mess.
Let me see it.
It's like a pinky-ish.
Oh, I see the sparkles. It's like a baby, like a lavender.
Yes, it is.
And it matches my nails.
Lavender on the nails. You guys, my mom got those kind of nails 5 years ago. I know, that's pretty old. I told her that she should change the nail style. I never knew that I would make a slime like those nails.
Even my nails have sparkles.
What? Yeah, because of the slime.
No, they have sparkles.
Oh. Yeah, it's coming together, but it's still ooey.
You need more?
Yeah.
Alright, this is it.
The last bit of the king of activator. Yeah, I think. Ew, Mommy, stop farting. Or did he shirt?
Aaliyah.
Are you shirting or are you farting?
You got issues, child.
Oh, I think I'm overactivating it.
Yep, I think so too.
Why did you add the
You
whole
told
thing?
me to.
I didn't tell you to overactivate it.
I thought you were a pro at this. Come on, man.
I am. I just remember at the beginning I told you guys never made glow-in-the-dark slime.
It's the same consistency.
Go turn that off.
Bedtime.
No, not happening.
Junior, can you turn that off, please?
Plus, I don't have bedtime today. It's Saturday.
Roll it around the pool so you can get the rest of it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yep, you guys, it's getting less gooey. Look. Shh, shh. So satisfying. Soon it'll be a nice fluffy slime. If only we had shaving
Yeah,
cream.
soon you're gonna clean all this mess.
Maybe I can do it right now with the slime. Maybe once it gets less sticky. You guys, this is really coming out better than I thought it would be. I mean, I never thought it could be so pretty. Guys, hashtag Aaliyah Squad if you knew that this would come out good. If only someone would pour in more activator.
No more activator.
Why not? If you don't get activator, I will.
You just told me that you had overactivated it.
I did because see, it's underactivated. It's way too underactivated. That's why it's so sticky. It's underactivated. Why do you think it's so stretching like that? It's underactivated, people. Why do you think? Ask my mom, is she underactivated my slime?
There, that's it.
Fine.
Stop!
Fine. Okie dokie. It might look like I overactivated it, but I didn't. This is how you work it in the kitchen. No! Instagram swirl.
What you know about Instagram?
Why are you looking up on TT Squad? Guys, I like Tiana. I go crazy. Hashtag sis versus bro. Don't want to ruin those beautiful flowers. I ain't got my mom those flowers for Mother's Day. Yep, it's getting ready to be released into the wild. Soon, once it's ready, it'll be ready to go on the table, which is never. I'm gonna grab some more activator from that bowl. Doopity doop doop. Do dippity doop 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 doop. Dippity doop 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 doop. Unicorn slime must be put it in this slime. Don't make me go pee.
Aaliyah, you're making a mess.
Sorry you guys. My mom made me laugh too hard. Stop laughing. When you laugh at my fans, I laugh at my fans. Hey, look, it's actually taking out some slime.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, this is coming together. Guys, I used to make a whole bunch of slime when I went to Anno Braddock School, like right near my house. And whenever I needed activator on the table, because the slime was too ooey or something, my teacher put some activator on the table, put the slime on the table, rub it, then it wasn't as sticky. Activator?
I think you're good.
No, I don't think so. My shoulders hurt. Thank you. Okay, that's good. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing here. Ew, stop making that noise. Oh yeah. Hey, doesn't this place smell like the place where you got your eyebrows done?
Yeah, it's all that glue.
What? I love making slime. You guys, soon, when I love making slime and being a YouTuber, soon I'll pack all my slimes. Make a mansion out of slimes and bags. And I could even eat slime if I could.
Ew.
Because I love slime.
Alright, what do you got to say to your followers? Because my phone's about to die.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below if you knew it would be like